Laptops with water damage can actually have their motherboards completely destroyed. There are key functions that can be lost and cannot be repaired when your laptop gets exposed to moisture. If you look on this motherboard closely, you'll see where the white areas are. Those areas are indicating the sections where the water damage actually took place. As you powered on your computer and electricity started to flow through the computer, the water provided a conductivity surface to allow components that should not be corresponding with each other, should not be transmitting data, to actually transmit, and that causes some of the elements to be burned out. So you have to be very careful when you deal with your computers and you're around water. I cannot stress it enough.